Good morning, student. Last we have studied sexual reproduction by scalariform conjugation and lateral conjugation. In both type of sexual reproduction, at the end produce a zygospore. At the end of sexual reproduction, produce a zygospore, diploid zygote, or you can say zygospore, which is after fertilization take some time for maturation, and after that it's germinate. Now today we study about germination of zygospore, or you can say germination of zygote. Let's start. On the approach of favorable condition, the zygote or zygospore germinate. Appropriate condition, it means a comfortable to grow, provide a sufficient amount of water, sufficient amount of food, and it's known as favorable condition. In this condition, all zygospore can be germinate. Prior to germinate, the diploid nucleus of zygote divide meiotically. It means zygote divide meiosis. In two type meiosis occurred. Two type of cell division occur. One is mitosis and another one is meiosis. In mitosis, one cell divide into another daughter cell. Meiosis, one cell at the end of meiosis, one produce two daughter cell, and again meiosis 2 there are produced 4 cell. In mitosis, if parent cell are haploid, then daughter cell also are haploid. If parent cell are diploid, then also daughter cell are diploid in nature. But in meiosis, it is a reduction division. It means if parent cell are diploid, then daughter cell are haploid in nature. All daughter cell are haploid in nature. It means its reduction division means a number of chromosome is decreased. For example, 23 pair division. If parent cell have 23 pair division, then its meiosis division take place, and daughter cell have only 23 daughter cell. Here 23 pair means 46 chromosome, and that parent cell take place a meiosis division and produce only, in daughter cell have only 23 chromosome. Mitosis division occurred in all the vegetative, all the normal body cell, plant body cell have occurred. And meiosis type of division occurred only on reproduction. Meiosis type reproduction occurred only on during the reproduction. Now here you can say that first diploid nucleus divide into 2 and produce 2 nucleus, and 2 nucleus divide into 4 and produce 4 haploid nucleus. Here parent parent diploid nucleus and daughter nucleus is haploid in nature. Three of the four haploid nucleus disintegrate, or you can say degenerate, or you can say died. Here three of the four nucleus die and only one remain which are functional. Now you can say in the four nucleus there are three nucleus will be degenerate, or you can say die, and only one remain which are functional. The zygospore with functional nucleus germinate only where it is available. The two daughter layer of thick zygospore wall burst. Zygote outer two wall at the one side, it will burst, or you can say break down. The contents with haploid nucleus still enclose inner layer grow out as a long cylindrical germ tube. At inner wall, zygospore have three wall. Outer two wall burst and inner wall grow as a outer side. Inner wall grow as a outer side and produce a tube-like structure which are known as germ tube, which is the bright green color appearance, which is soon develop into filament. Here germ tube produce a next filament like structure. The filament float in surface water and increase the length by cell division. Now germinating tube take place a cell division type of mitosis and produce long filament type of plant body structure, means new thallus structure. Next topic is parthenogenesis. The formation of parthenospore or a zygospore. The formation of parthenospore or a zygospore has been recorded by many species. What is the parthenospore and the zygospore? Now, here the conjugation does not take place and the content of the cell become rounded. The wall are secreted around the protoplasm and they are called parthenospore and a zygospore. The wall are secreted around means any of the body cell are become rounded and thick wall, which are known as any of the body cell become thick walled and rounded, which are known as parthenospore and a zygospore. Parthenospore and a zygospore look like a zygospore, but it do not take part a sexual reproduction like male gamete and female gamete both are fused and produce zygote. That process can not here. The formation of parthenospore is regular feature in Spirogyra greenlandica. The species of Spirogyra greenlandica. Life cycle. Spirogyra plant development of protuberance or conjugation cell between two cells like that between two cells produce a conjugation tube or conjugation canal. Fusion of both of male gamete and female gamete and produce zygospore. Zygospore takes place a meiosis division and produce 4 haploid nucleus, and only one nucleus remain, and it will germinate and produce again Spirogyra filament like structure. Here Spirogyra life cycle is completely over. Thank you.